Alright guys, hi, my name is Tessa. I'm with Driving Academy. I'm an instructor here. Today we're going to perform an in-cab inspection for the bus, Class B vehicle. What you want to do is chock the wheels, and you're going to come in the bus using 3 points of contact, and we're going to start off with a safe start. To safe start your vehicle, you want to make sure the bus is in neutral, the parking brake is on. You'll put the key on one time, allow all your gauges to boot, ABS light came on and off. Alright, we're now going to start the vehicle. We're going to build our pressure to 120 and 140 psi. We'll give it some gas, no more than 15 RPM, until we hear the governor sneeze. All right, that was our governor cut off. It cut off at 130 psi. At this time, we're going to shut off our bus. Put the key in an on position. To start our leak test, first thing we need to do is release our parking brake. We wait for the bus to stabilize. What I want to do is take out my phone, set it for 1 minute, put my foot on the brake. We cannot lose more than 3 psi in 1 minute, and we'll start the timer now. 1 minute has passed, and we did not lose more than 3 psi. The next thing I like to do is now pump the brakes, and before 55 psi, we need to make sure the light and buzzer come on. All right, our warning light and buzzer came on before 55 psi. I'm going to continue to fan the brakes between 45 and 20 psi. We're making sure our parking brake pops out. All right, guys, our parking brake has popped between 20 and 45 psi. We're going to do our second safe start so we can do our in-cab inspection as the bus builds back to 120 and 140 psi. Our bus is in neutral. Make sure the brake is on. The key is on again. Let the computer jump, gauges read, ABS light came on and off. Turn on the bus. All right. At this time, we're going to build the pressure past 60 psi where the light and buzzer should go off, and I would like to start my in-cab inspection. So for our in-cab inspection, we're going to check our windshield. We want to make sure it's clean, not cracked, there's no obstructions or damages. We're going to check all mirrors, outside and inside passenger mirrors. They're clean, adjusted to my view. We're going to make sure the brackets are not bent, and it's not missing any parts, and it's mounted secure. And we're going to check our wiper arms and blades, put it on. They're operating smoothly. They're secure, not damaged. There is washer fluid in this bus. We're gonna check our heater works. Make sure your defroster works on the bus. We're gonna make sure our electric horn works. And we're gonna check all our lights. Our left signal works. Our right signal is working. Our headlights are working. High beams and 4-way flashers. We're going to make sure our bus is equipped with our emergency equipment. You have to make sure you have your 3 red reflective triangles, your 6 spare fuses, and your fire extinguisher, which is secure and charged. For school bus, your emergency equipment must include both kits, body fluid and first aid kit. They're sealed, has not been broken, and has no missing items. We want to check the school bus doors. They open and close properly from the inside. We want to make sure the handrail is secure. The steps, we want to make sure the tread is not loose or worn, and the step light is working. At this time, we're going to shut the bus off. And we're going to put the key in the on position so we can check the interior side of our bus. On your bus, you want to make sure all your cushions are attached to the frame. The frame is attached to the floor. Make sure your frames are not broken. For emergency exits, you're going to point out and inspect all your emergency exits, starting with the back door. It should be properly labeled, not damaged. We want to make sure the door buzzes and opens and closes properly from the inside. So our emergency exit windows, they should be properly labeled, not damaged. To open the window, we lift handle and push it out. And on our roof, we have to check our roof hatch is properly labeled for an emergency, is not damaged, and to use it, we would twist latch and push out the roof hatch. That was our in-cab inspection for the bus. We will turn the key in an off position, exit the vehicle till we can now remove our chocks. And then we remove it, 3 points of contact. After removing our chock, we're gonna get back in the bus using 3 points of contact, close the door. We're gonna perform another safe start so we can do our tug test. Our bus is in neutral. Make sure the parking brake is on, the key on one time. Allow your computers to boot. ABS light came on and off. We're now gonna start our engine. All right, our pressure is at 120 and 140 PSI. We're gonna do our tug test. To test our parking brake, we will leave it on. We're gonna put our vehicle in drive. Give your bus a little gas. The bus should not move. Okay, our parking brake is working. The vehicle did not move. We put the bus in neutral. I now want to test the service brake. We're gonna release the parking brake, drive our vehicle up to 5 miles per hour, come to a smooth stop. The vehicle should not pull to either side. If it does, we must service the brakes. I'm gonna push the brake, put it in drive. We're gonna drive up to 5 miles. The bus came to a stop. It did not pull to either side. We do not need to service our brake. We'll put it in neutral. Apply your parking brake. We'll shut off the bus. And examiner, that completes our check engine start for the bus. And what you want to do is shut off your bus, put the key back on, and ask the examiner, may they help you check your external lights. And he'll walk to the back of the bus and ask that examiner to help you check the brake lights are working, left signal, right signal, and four-way flashers are working. And that's the end of your check engine start and external light check.
If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.